welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. My name is Lynn Marie. Thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to be going over a subscription which is called Front Door Fashion. This is a on-demand subscription, which means you'd give them a deposit of $100. They ship you anywhere from 6 to 7 outfits, and whatever you purchase, you get credited that $100. If you don't purchase anything, they refund you the $100. This bag here was folded and in the box. I haven't peeked yet. I'm just taking it out of the box. So let's get this out of the way and we'll get into it. So today we are in a different part of my home and we're in my bedroom. I thought we would try on some of these clothes from Front Door Fashion. So when you look at it right from the beginning, right here you have a slip that says, "Hello, gorgeous." These outfits have been hand selected for you. We hope you enjoy them. These were literally hand selected for me by a stylist who I have been texting back and forth long before I even got my box. And then in the back side, here is the invoice telling you how much everything is. So let's open this up because I know inside here they do show you different ways of styling each outfit. So what do we have? Yep, here, and a special note saying, "Thank you so much for letting me style you. First Front Door Fashion box. I am so excited for you to try on the blue printed dress." Ooh, I was asking for dresses. "And your cropped jeans that are going to hit you at the perfect length. Happy shopping, Cassidy." That's wonderful. And they show a shoe guide actually, different shoes that could be worn with any one of these outfits. Inside here also was the tape to put in the box whatever I don't wish to keep. Tape up the box and I send it right back. So here you can see, one of my pup dogs, Suki. She likes to make appearances in the videos every once in a while, don't you, honey? Yeah, good girl. So as you can see, I've laid out some of the clothes. Hanging up here are some dresses I see that I really like and a few prints that I really like. So why don't I get started trying these on for you, and then I would love for your feedback. Give me some comments about which one or two outfits looked the best and you think I should keep. I see one that I really know I like. This. I think this will be the first item I try on. Okay, dress number 1. The designer is lavender brown and the cost is $154. What do we think? It hits me just where I like, just a smidge above the knees. And I have another belt that might be a wider belt that would look even more stunning with this dress. I love this color and I love the dress. I don't, however, love the price. But I have the $100 credit. I'm keeping that in mind as I'm shopping today. All right, well, this dress is definitely on the list of maybe. Comment below what you think. Okay, dress number 2, and there are 3 in the collection. This designer is called Tarte Collections, and the price on this is $141. When I saw this on the hanger, I was like, that is not me and not attractive. But I put it on, and I love it on my body shape. I love the length. I love that I can bring it up a little more if I want, bring it down a little more. What I don't love is the color. This is not my color, really. I'm not big on animal print, so that is part of the reason this didn't appeal to me. But I love the sleeves, I love the length. I even like how open the neckline is. What do you all think? I'm curious to know. I really would love some feedback because this is going to be difficult for me to pick which outfit I love. And here is Bo, my other baby. See, nobody's camera shy in this house except for maybe the husband. All right, on to dress number 3. Okay, dress number 3. This is by designer Buddy Love, and it's $113. And the material is really nice and soft. And so far, the quality of all 3 of the dresses has been amazing. One thing I like is this little tie, so you can bring it up a little shorter if you like. This would make a really cute swimsuit cover up too, because it's so nice and light and airy. I don't know that it does a whole lot for my figure. I feel like I would need to belt it to make it look a little more shapely for me, but I would love the feedback. So what do you think? The print, I'm okay with. And I love that you can wear your normal bra, regular bra straps with it. Looking forward to your comments. On to the next outfit. All right, this is our 4th outfit. This designer is Soda and Scotch, both the top and the bottom. And both pieces are $68 each. And this was the outfit that I was very excited about. But putting it on, I'm not as excited. So the front and the back are identical, no extra straps. It is jersey material on the back and more of a chiffon on the front. No pockets, which I'm a big fan of pockets. I guess I would put a wide belt with this. And I don't know, I like skirts that are a little more form-fitting to the bottom. The more flowy, I think, the bigger they make me feel and look. So, again, what are your thoughts? We'll move on to the 4th outfit. I know already that I'm not a fan of this kimono. It's just far too long on me. I look and feel like I'm drowning. I have to be really careful with kimonos. They need to be shorter length, otherwise they turn out looking like dresses from behind. So the jeans, let me see, and I'll give you prices on these. These jeans are by the designer James Jeans, and they are $176. The kimono, designer name is Elizabeth Gillette, and is $68. Have to use the readers. It's tiny print. And then this shaker knit tank, which the scalloping on the bottom is just beautiful. This one is $140. We've talked about the kimono, so I'm going to take this off. I know it's an absolute no. It's a definite. So we'll put that back up. I want to talk about the top. Now, I like it. I think it's super cute. I know I would get a lot of use out of it, and I love the scalloping, but I don't spend $140 on one top. The quality is amazing. It's so cute. And I'm gonna be sad to see it go, but it's just too far out of my price range. The jeans, however, fit nice. They are a little snug. They're giving me a little bit of a muffin top, which I'm not crazy about. I do, however, know that they carry a size up from this, and I wear a 31 waist. I'm not hiding my size from anyone. And then I wear a large shirt, sometimes an extra large. I did talk to my stylist about not wanting skinny jeans, and she listened very well and sent me some straight leg. I really like that aspect of them. But again, the price is just too far out there for me. Even with the $100 credit, it's just too much for me. So I love the outfit, but I think it's gonna have to be a no. And let's move on to the next outfit. These are the same jeans I just had on. I thought I'd leave them on. And then the two tops. They are separate pieces, and I really do like both. But with that being said, This is very crop for me. I'm a little self-conscious of my pooch, but it is very crop. The shoulder straps are adjustable. This could be worn by itself. I don't know that I would feel comfortable doing that, but I do know I like this white top. It's very lightweight, and it's a very nice basic piece to have. Let me check the prices for you. The designer is Pharaoh, and the color is military. The price is $195 for a crop tank top. Let's be serious here for a moment. There's no way I'm spending close to $200 on a tank top. My summer outfit or my summer wardrobe would be 6 pieces if I did that. It's cute, but it's not $195 cute. So the white shirt, which is by the designer NSF, is also, it is $198. When I tried this on, I had every intention in keeping this top, tying it, being cute. There's no way. I can't. I don't want to spend that kind of money on one shirt. So on to the next outfit. I'm not discouraged. The top is by the designer Tarte, and the bottoms are by AG. The jeans are $225, and I think if you know me at all, you know what I would say about that price. The top is cute, but I do worry about this tiny little snap coming open, and the sleeves are pretty tight on my arms. That's all my fault. The shirt should fit me. It looks cute as ever. And let's check on the price of the top. Designer by Tarte, and the price is $150. What do you think? I like the jeans. I hate the seam though. They fit fantastic. They hit me right where I would love them to hit, because I'm always in some sort of heel. The top, I'm a little torn. I like it. It's pretty. The color I love. They call this ombre blue. I don't see a lot of ombre personally. It's very slight. But again, it's the price. If I were to just choose this shirt, I would still owe $50. Whereas I really like some of the dresses a little better. But hold off. There is 2 more items. Actually, 1 outfit and then 1 item. So let's try on the next outfit. All right, the last full outfit. The skirt is just a simple black skirt with a little ruffle or fluff at the end, and the top. I hate the pattern. It looks like something my grandmother would wear. It fits well, it hangs really well. That's something I have to say about all of the clothes. The fit is remarkable. It is proof that the more you spend, the better your clothes fit, the better the quality. This has proven that to me over and over. But this top is a flat out no, just because of the pattern. If it was a different pattern, I would consider keeping it. The top is by Jade, that's who the designer is, and it is $68. The skirt is by 382, and it is an even $100. I can't say that the skirt to me is worth $100. I am sometimes a TJ Maxx shopper, and anybody who knows TJ Maxx, you know the price range is there. I feel I could get a little black skirt for closer to $30 to $50. The outfit is cute, minus the pattern. I have 1 more top to try on, and then we'll do a review. Our last item is a square neck tee. It's quite fitted, and the designer is Scotch and Soda again, and this is $68. this is a shirt that I would never wear. It's far too skimming to the body. I'm proud of who I am and what I look like, but I'm working out daily, doing water aerobics, and I don't know that I'd ever feel comfortable in this shirt. So I wanted to show it to you to let you know that they did send another piece. So I did learn something today, that the higher the price tag, in this instance, really better quality and better fit. A lot of stores I have to wear an extra large shirt. In all of these, I wore a large. That's telling you something, that they're being more inclusive in the size of the clothing they're making also. I have to say that out of everything, the dresses were what I really was drawn to. I like this one. I might have to try them on again. This one, if I decide to keep, I would ask if there was another color or pattern in this. And the very first item I tried on was probably my most favorite. I love this. I could put leggings with this. You can just do so many things with a dress like this. Well, this is Front Door Fashion. I'd love to get some comments and feedback about what you thought of this collection. I will try this again, and I will definitely use the same stylist. She did a great job. She did ask for a picture, a full-length picture of me, and I think she went off of that very well. Again, thank you for stopping in and spending this time with me. I really appreciate it. I'd also appreciate it if you'd subscribe, hit the little bell, and then maybe possibly share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. Take care.